Welcome to Followers Panda. Ever seen something amazing or hilarious on Twitch and wished you could save it? Today, we're showing you how to make clips on Twitch to capture those moments forever, whether you're on your computer or your phone. So, let's get started. On desktop, it's easy. When you see something clip-worthy, hit the clapperboard icon or use Alt+X on Windows, +X on Mac. This grabs the last 60 seconds of the stream. Next, trim your clip to get the perfect moment. Slide the bars to start and end exactly where you want. Give your clip a catchy title, then hit publish to share your highlight with the world. On mobile, tap your screen and hit the clapperboard at the top. This captures the last 60 seconds just like on desktop. Trim your clip, add a title, and then tap publish. You can even download the clip to share elsewhere. That's it. Now you can save and share your favorite Twitch moments. Remember, you can clip any public stream and manage your clips from the dashboard. Happy clipping! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insider tips and tricks. And hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.